Bright Star Education, where learning is a magical journey. Hi there, little superstars.
I am so happy to see you today. Are you ready for a perfect adventure with the wonderful letter P?
Let's start our journey in 3, 2, 1, let's go! P is for...
P is for pizza. P-I-Z-Z-A, pizza.
Pizza is a delicious treat with cheese and yummy toppings. Pizza! P is for pig. P-I-G, pig. Pigs are smart farm animals that love to play in the mud. Pig.
P is for plane. P-L-A-N-E, plane.
A plane flies high in the sky to take us to faraway places. Plane.
P is for parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot.
A parrot is a beautiful bird that can learn to talk like us. P is for pumpkin. P-U-M-P-K-I-N, pumpkin. A pumpkin is a big, round vegetable often used in the fall. Pumpkin. P is for panda. P-A-N-D-A, panda. A panda is a fluffy black and white bear that loves bamboo. Panda. P is for penguin. P-E-N-G-U-I-N, penguin.
A penguin is a bird that cannot fly, but it's a great swimmer. Penguin.
P is for pear. P-E-A-R, pear. A pear is a sweet and healthy fruit that is very good for you. P is for pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. We use a pencil to draw pictures and write our names. Pencil.
P is for piano. P-I-A-N-O, piano.
A piano is a musical instrument with black and white keys. Piano.
Did you like this video? Then don't forget to click the subscribe button and the like button. P is for pail. P-A-I-L, pail.
A pail is a small bucket used for carrying water or sand. Pail.
P is for purse. P-U-R-S-E, purse.
A purse is a small bag used for carrying money and cards. Purse.
P is for park. P-A-R-K, park.
A park is an outdoor place where children go to play. Park.
P is for puppy. P-U-P-P-Y, puppy. Puppy is a young dog that loves to play and wag its tail. Puppy. P is for peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. A peacock is a bird with magnificent, colorful tail feathers. Peacock.
P is for pot. P-O-T, pot. A pot is a container where we plant beautiful flowers. Pot. P is for pillow. P-I-L-L-O-W, pillow. A pillow is a soft cushion we use for sleep at night. Pillow.
P is for popcorn. P-O-P-C-O-R-N, popcorn. Popcorn is a crunchy snack made from corn. It's movie time. Pop-pod.
P is for pan. P-A-N, pan. A pan is a kitchen tool used for cooking eggs and pancakes. Pan.
P is for polar bear. P-O-L-A-R-B-E-A-R, polar bear.
A polar bear is a large white bear that lives in the Arctic. Polar bear.
Did you like this video? Then don't forget to click the subscribe button and the like button.
P is for pond. P-O-N-D, pond. A pond is a small body of still water for frogs and fish. Pond.
P is for plum. P-L-U-M, plum.
A plum is a small, sweet fruit that has dark purple skin. Plum. P is for puzzle. P-U-Z-Z-L-E, puzzle.
A puzzle is a fun game where you put pieces together. Puzzle. P is for polar. P-O-L-A-R, polar. Polar describes the freezing areas around the Earth's poles.
P is for paper. P-A-P-E-R, paper.
Paper is made from wood and is used for writing and drawing. Paper.
P is for plate. Plate, plate. A plate is a round, flat dish that we use for eating food. Plate.
P is for pocket. Pocket, pocket. A pocket is a small pouch in your clothes for holding things. Pocket. P is for prince. Prince, prince. A prince is the son of a king or queen in a royal family. Prince.
P is for princess. Princess, princess.
A princess is the daughter of a king or queen. Princess. Princess. P is for pin. Pin. A pin is a small sharp tool used to fasten clothes together. Pin.
Did you like this video? Then don't forget to click the subscribe button and the like button.
P is for post. Post, post. Post is a system used for sending letters to your friends. Post. P is for pet. Pet.
A pet is a friendly animal that lives at home with us. Pet.
P is for path. Path. A path is a small track or road made for walking. Path. P is for palace. Palace, palace.
A palace is a very large and grand home for royalty. Palace.
P is for peace. Peace. Peace means being kind and living in a calm world. Peace.
P is for people. People, people.
People are human beings like you, me, and all your friends. People.
P is for paint. Paint, paint.
Paint is a colorful liquid used to create beautiful art. Paint.
P is for point. Point, point.
To point is to use your finger to show where something is. Point.
P is for plus. Plus, plus.
Plus is a math sign used when we add things together. Plus.
P is for planet. Planet, planet.
A planet is a very large object that orbits a star in space. Planet.
Hooray! You did it, superstars! You learned 40 wonderful words starting with the letter P. Give yourselves a big clap! Yay!
Are you ready for our next adventure? Next time we are going to meet the quirky letter Q. I can't wait to see you there.
I am so proud of you. You are getting smarter every single day. Learning with you is my favorite thing to do. Did you have fun today? Then don't forget to click the subscribe button and the like button to be my best friend. Join our Bright Star family.
Until then, keep smiling and keep learning. Goodbye, friends. See you soon at Bright Star Education. Bye-bye.